Hello and welcome to the explanatory videos on the 4D air traffic control display tools. In this video, I'll be explaining conflict detection and resolution using the solution space concept. When viewing the radar screen, aircraft that are expected to experience any loss of separation at some point in the future are shown in red to the user. When selecting an aircraft to show its rerouting options, constraints caused by the other aircraft's intent are mapped onto the solution space and are shown in red. When we select one of the conflicting aircraft, we also notice the predicted location of the conflict. To improve the understanding of the current situation and therefore increase situational awareness, hovering over a conflict zone highlights the aircraft that causes this zone. This aircraft can then also directly be selected to inspect possible rerouting options and choose the most favorable solution from the user's perspective. To illustrate, we place an intermediate waypoint on both a green and therefore conflict-free area versus a waypoint that causes an expected conflict at some point in the future. It should be noted that because the intent of all other aircraft are taken into account, the user can be sure not to introduce any new conflict when placing an intermediate waypoint somewhere inside this green area. Furthermore, the required velocity increase to meet the timing constraint at sector exit is automatically taken into account. Conflicts are also mapped onto the time-based solution space. This crossing conflict can be solved using velocity changes only by letting the crossing aircraft cross behind the selected aircraft. This can be achieved by either having the leading aircraft speed up or by having the trailing aircraft slow down. Within the vertical solution space, a new level segment can be selected to solve the conflict. After selecting the new altitude, the locations for safely climbing and descending can be determined. Other than utilizing the solution spaces to solve conflicts within the bounds imposed by the 4D flight plan, the constraints at sector exit can be changed as well. To alter the lateral exit waypoint, the aircraft label can be moved. Similarly, the aircraft label in the time-space display can be moved to alter the projected sector exit time. Notice the tight coupling between the different displays. Updating the projected exit time instantly updates the newly formed solution spaces with the newly introduced timing constraint. To change the altitude of the aircraft at sector exit, the aircraft label on the side of the vertical display can in turn be used. In this specific case, it will be desirable to increase the aircraft's altitude to be clear of the restricted area in the middle of the sector. For more explanatory videos on this interface concept, please visit our YouTube channel.